It's difficult to imagine what life in Elk Grove would be like without parks, trails, and open space. An independent public agency known as the Cosumnes Community Services District, or Cosumnes CSD, is primarily responsible for park planning, construction, and maintenance. Money for park construction typically comes from a combination of impact fees and Quimby in lieu fees paid by developers when they build new housing. Money for ongoing park maintenance comes from property owners who pay an annual landscape and lighting assessment, which appears as a separate line item on their property tax bill. Cosumnes CSD is divided into 13 L&L assessment districts, known as benefit zones. Property owners in each benefit zone must approve an L&L assessment through a vote-by-mail ballot proceeding before it can be levied. Today, Cosumnes CSD is working with residents and community leaders on long-term funding sustainability to maintain our parks and trails. Our goal is to continue Elk Grove's reputation for exceptional, well-maintained parks that are a vital part of our local quality of life. To learn more, go to yourcsd.com.